Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to start a jewelry brand with dropshipping 2026, a complete walkthrough. So guys, jewelry or selling of jewelry is one of the most profitable dropshipping niches in 2026 if you brand it correctly. So I'm going to be showing you how to start a jewelry brand with dropshipping step by step. So let's get started. Your first step would be understanding the jewelry business itself and also choosing a jewelry sub niche. So, there's something you need to know about jewelry. Jewelry are either the cheap jewelries or knockoffs or the original thing. So jewelry, as you can see here, it refers to a decorative item worn for personal adornment, like rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. So please take note of all of these, as these would fall under the jewelry category of Shopify. So if you were to head over to your Shopify account, we have my Shopify account that has been set up here. You can get started with Shopify if you head over to shopify.com and simply click on start for free and follow our sign up process, and you will get yourself here at the home section of Shopify, where your products are shown as well as their pricing and your theme that is being used as well. So, in order to start a jewelry business or a jewelry dropshipping business on Shopify or any dropshipping service, all you need to do is head over to the products menu of Shopify or your dropshipping business or platform. Once you're on this menu now, you're going to need to get images and accurate pricing and also an accurate description of what jewelry you'll be selling. So, in order to do that, we're going to be heading back while we allow this to load in. We're going to be heading back to Google. Now, we have types of jewelries like rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, pendants, cufflinks, and they're either gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, pearls, or other gemstones, as well as glass shells and wood. Now you can see some jewelry businesses you could copy off of. You could get inspiration from them. But seeing as we're a dropshipping business and we're mostly located online, uh, let's head over to the image section. That's where we can get images first off, and I'll be showing you what to do from that aspect. So let's head over to images and go ahead and click on images. So the images menu is going to open up, and you're bombarded with a lot of jewelry. Remember, you're supposed to select a niche. Once you have selected a jewelry niche or sub niche you want to focus on, please make sure to proceed with that niche. So in this tutorial, I'll be selecting this for my for this tutorial. So just go ahead and click on it. We're going to be taking off some inspiration from this platform. So as you can see here, this is the platform that's hosting this particular jewelry set. And now, in order to choose this sub niche, you're going to need to have some pictures of it. So if you want to get proper high quality images, just go ahead and open up the platform. So the platform is going to open up and it's called Nure. As you can see here, you can shop by new arrivals, bestsellers, under $500, under 1,000. We have collections, bridals, hearts, initials, flowers, fashion jewelry. Initials are personalized jewelry. Now, all you need to do here is scroll through and find some samples you would like to showcase on your own website. You could copy some diamond jewelries here. You can get some wedding rings for inspiration as well. All you need to do is just right click on your screen and click on save image as, and it's going to be automatically saved, or you have to manually save it to your screen. So go ahead and save this. Now, I'm going to head over to pendants and necklaces and then click on cross pendants, as that is what I want to showcase on my Shopify store. So all you need to do is the same process. Click on the product you wish to make use of, and then once it loads in, just go ahead and right click and simply save the image to your gallery. Now, please take note of the pricing. It's priced at $4,000 for this. And if you scroll through, you can see the details. You can see a brief description. And if you click down, I believe there's meant to be a details hub here, but I believe these are the details. So now, heading back to your Shopify store, all you need to do now to add this jewelry to your store is click on Add Product. So when you click on the Add Products menu, the menu is going to open up. And another thing you need to focus on whilst adding your product is finding a reliable jewelry supplier. So you can look for suppliers that offer stainless steel, gold-plated items, that offer fast shipping or custom packaging options. What I would suggest here is, if you already have some money, you could simply order this. You could order this and sell it at a higher price. You could buy low and sell higher. So it's being sold for 2,600 US dollars. You could sell it for something like 4,600 to 4,800, as the case might be, while you simply order this and then re send it out. So you're going to be ordering this product, and then once it comes in, you're going to be shipping it over to who wants it. So you can even partner with Norway, the company, by simply scrolling to the bottom and messaging them via their email here or their phone number for a partnership. That is one of the best ways to get sweeter deals on these products. All right, so that aside, if you head back to your Shopify on the products page, the title, make sure the title is something premium, as we're trying to build a premium looking store. So your store must feel luxurious, must have clean fonts and soft colors and a white space. As you see, these are all of Norway. That is basically what Norway is. So if you want to replicate something like this on your Shopify store, it is quite easy to do this. All you need to do is head over to the online store. Let's go ahead and open this in a new tab. You can open this in a new tab. And while it's opening, let's get the title of this item. So the title of this item we have here is the Cluster 1.5 CT Diamond Cross Pendant in 4K white gold. So just simply hold this and go ahead and copy this. But before, let's copy this. And once you've copied it, head back to your store. In the title page, simply paste it in. And then for the description, you could generate yours using Shopify's AI. Okay, so it's opened up now. And now, in order to perform your online store customization, just go ahead and click on Edit Theme. So click on the Edit Theme, and while the live editor opens, let's head back to the cluster. All right, so with the cluster opened up, you could copy this. Here we go. Control C, and then head back to your Shopify and simply paste it in. So these are the descriptions of what we're going to be selling on our store. And you can simply take advantage of this and proceed to add media. So click on Upload New here, and then simply select the cross chain pendant, and it's going to go ahead and upload. So once it's done uploading the media, all right, so once you've added it, just simply scroll through. You can fill in all of these details from the cluster platform. You can also enter the SKU and also make sure the pricing reflects everything you're trying to accomplish on your platform. All right, so once you're done, just go ahead and click on save at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on save, and your product will be saved. Now, heading over to the live editor. So, on the live editor of your Shopify, all right, guys. So on the live editor for your Shopify store, please make sure you add an About Us page, a brand mission, care instructions, and clear return policy. So you can do all of these by just simply editing the text that is available on your live editor by simply hovering above the text and simply interacting with it. And then once that's done, you can also market with visual content. So try to create ads on your store and then showcasing them on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And then use short aesthetic videos and influencer seeding. And then you can also scale into a real brand. Once your sales start coming in, you can start getting branded logos, branded gift bags, and things of that nature. All right, guys. So that's how you can start a jewelry brand with dropshipping in 2026. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.